Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing part 2 of our little surprise bags unboxing. We have some Shopkins Wild Style today. We're going to do 2 more emojis, a Tsum Tsum. We have an LOL Pets Series 3, and then we're also going to be doing Emoji again. Anyways, so let's get into it. First off, I'm going to start with the Wild Style Shopkins. I'm still looking for that unicorn. Oh, and it looks like we have another sheep. That's what she looks like right there. Little cotton candy with her little paws, her little ears. Let's open her up. Oh my goodness, it's little freaking pancakes. That is so cute with a little strawberry drizzle and whipped cream. Oh my god, that is absolutely stunning. I love the attention to detail they did on this one. So let's find out where she's from. So she is from the Hearts and Seekers tribe, and she's right there in the corner. Her name is Primrose Pancakes, and she is a common. What I didn't know last time about these is the heart ones actually open and there's a little secret message inside. I think that's so cute. So definitely excited to add her to the collection. So next. Looks like we have a little birthday cake with candles. This is definitely going to be from the Rainbow tribe. Super cute. All white on the back with a little rainbow. So she is from the Rainbow Dreamers tribe, and she is color cake, and she is green, so she is a rare. I'm going to put them back in their little pod. Next up, I'm going to do a Tsum Tsum Series 3. So these are all the ones that you can collect in the series. I'm still trying to find Pluto and still looking for Genie and Tinkerbell. Oh, we got Woody! How adorable is he? So he just comes with his little star, and you just sit him right through, and his little feet catch him on the other side. Oh my goodness, super cute. Definitely, I'm going to put him on my desk. Next up, I'm going to open up one of the Disney emojis. Again, this is Series 1, and it does come with 2 of them inside. This is our little word block with sun on one side and again the rainbow on the other. And they don't come in blind bags, so you see exactly what you're getting. This time we got a gold Tinkerbell and a star-eye Mickey. So the star-eyed Mickey is goals. And the gold Tinkerbell is obviously a special, and that's what they look like right there. You can actually stack them on top of each other to make like a whole little scene. So I think that's super cool. It's just they don't lock. So you just have to be careful when you're stacking them that they don't fall over. Next up, we're gonna do our emojis. Again, this is series smiley face, so I'm assuming it's series 1, and you get 2 of them in a pack. So these are our 2 little squishies that we got. This guy is super cute. Look at all the detail he has all over his body. And then we have this cute little white little bunny. Super cute. Like I was saying, they have like a jello consistency to them. They're so cool. Super duper squishy. So the bunny is in the Happy Camper section, and he is a common. So our tiger is in the couch potato section, and both of these ones are rare, but they're not the same color green that he is. Like these guys are green, that's yellow. This is like a yellow and then a darker yellow, so I'm not too sure what one he is, but both of them are rare, so I'm just gonna assume that this guy is rare as well. Can't wait to add these guys to the collection. And then I'm going to do another Shopkins Wild Style. Ooh, we got a new one. How cute is this little giraffe? It's a blue little giraffe. Oh my goodness, look at the little tail. I think it's the eyes. The face is what gets me. It's so cute. So happy that we have a blue one now. We officially have our first repeat. This is Betty the cassette tape, and she is from the Glitter Dancers tribe, and we did receive her in the last unboxing. Let's see who we have next. We have another repeat, and this is Color Cake from the Rainbow Tribe. 3 left for our video. I think I'm gonna do the LOL pets next, and then I have one more Shopkins and one more emoji, so we'll do that one right after. So like I was saying, this is the Pets LOL Series 3. For those of you that don't know what it is, it's a little surprise doll or animal. It comes with 7 different surprises, accessories, and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure everybody on the planet knows what these are right now. So your first surprise is your clue. So this one is dress up. Next up is your checklist markers. Comes with a cry, spitter, changer, whatever, and you stick this on the checklist to let you know what one you got. I do have a yellow ball. I can't remember if all the pets are yellow or if they are different colors. See who we got. You do get a little handle to put on your ball to carry it around. We do get a little litter. So there is series 3, some of the ones that you can get. And there is your checklist as well. So I'll leave this off to the side. Let's do our first one. We got 2 surprises in this bag. So we got a little collar and a pair of sunglasses. Next bag. We got our little pooper scooper, and it has little bunny ears, so I'm hoping that we got a bunny. Next up is our bottle. Ours is purple with the pink little lid. Before I open the actual pet, let's go in here and find some more surprises. So you can use your scooper and scoop out the sand. I do it the lazy way and take it all out and then smush to find everything. Whoa! We got little shoes. I do have to say though, this time they actually put a plastic inside of the shoe so that you'd be able to remove the plastic so no sand gets in it. A couple of the other ones that I've opened actually don't have that, so I really, really appreciate this kind of mechanism that they've put inside the shoes. So let's open our pet. And we did get a bunny. This is Hop Hop from the Cosplay Club. Let's get her dressed. So there she is, all dressed up, has blue shoes and pink shoes to match her hair, her little glasses, and her little bottle. So let's find out what she does. She is a tinkler. So then you go to your checklist and you put on your little sticker. So only 2 more left to do. Let's do the emoji one first. Let's see who we got here. So we got a different background this time. So there's that one as well as that one. So we got Elsa and a heart-eyed mini. So the heart-eyed mini is a gold and it is a special. And Elsa smiling is just purple, so it is a gold. And that's what they look like right there. And then last but not least, in this part, I will be leaving part 1 and part 3 in the description box below. So if you haven't checked them out, just click the link and head over there. Hopefully we'll have some really good ones and even maybe some rares there as well. I think we have someone new again. Yay! So I think this is like a little lion. Oh my goodness. Look at, or maybe even a baby kitty. I have no idea. These are so cute. I love all the detail they've been putting in them. Let's see who we got. So we have someone new. This is obviously going to be from the Heart Club again. Look at how adorable this is. And let's see the secret message. BFF. So cute. So let's find out who this is. So this is Cutie Compact and she is a common. Next up, someone new again. So I don't even know what this is. Looks like chocolate and a pot. Not too sure. Let's check it out. So here we have Cupcake Crumbles and she is a rare and she's actually a color changer. So if you look back here, she has blue speckles and a pink speckle. Watch what happens when she goes in cold water. Her speckles go blue. So it took me a little while to figure out what was color changing on her, and I was dipping her in hot water, dipping her in cold water, and I was looking at her, I'm like, nothing's changing, until I realized on the back. So super happy with our last 2 little Shopkins. So these were all the guys that we unboxed today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, and if you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!